In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PayPal link for payment in 2025. If you're running a business or simply need to request payments from friends or family, sharing a PayPal link can make the process easy and efficient. Let's walk through the steps to get your link ready to share. First, we need to start by heading over to PayPal's website. Open your browser and type in www.paypal.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a look towards the upper right hand corner of your screen and click on Log In. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your email address and your password. Make sure they are correct, and when you're ready, click on Log In to access your PayPal account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. You'll see an option labeled Pay and Get Paid. Click on that, which will take you to a section that offers various ways to handle your transactions. Here, you need to focus under the Accept Payments area. You'll find an option named Request Money. Click on it. This is where you can create and manage your payment requests. Once there, look for an option that says More Ways to Request. By selecting this, you're opening up additional functionalities, setting the stage for sharing your payment link. Click on Share Your Personal Profile. This ensures that you're utilizing the correct link associated with your specific PayPal Me profile. In the following step, locate the share icon next to your profile. Click on it to open up sharing options. This icon unlocks the real power of PayPal, simplifying how you send your personal payment link. Once you see your link, you'll need to copy it. Click on the button that says Copy Link. Your link is now stored on your clipboard, ready to be shared with anyone who needs to send you a payment. Finally, let's look at how you can distribute your payment link. Consider the method that works best for you and your recipient. You can share this link directly via email, send it in a text message, drop it into a chat, or post it on social media. PayPal's flexibility allows you to communicate payment requests in whichever way is most convenient for you. Remember to always verify the recipient and the intent when sharing payment details, maintaining security, and ensuring that payments are directed correctly. That's it, you're now ready to send a PayPal link for payment, streamlining how you receive money and making transactions a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, take care.